The law office of Ryan Besinque is a Manhattan family law firm led by attorney Ryan Besinque, who has guided New York City families through divorce and family law matters for more than 13 years. The firm focuses exclusively on divorce and family law, bringing steady, direct guidance to clients during one of the most difficult transitions of their lives. The firm handles every stage of ending a marriage, from the first filing at the New York County Supreme Court to the final judgment. Whether a matter calls for mediation, negotiation, or courtroom advocacy, the firm's NYC divorce attorneys work to protect each client's finances, parental rights, and peace of mind. Can you include a clause in a New York prenup about who keeps the family pet after a divorce? Yes, but only under specific conditions. In New York, a prenuptial agreement can address pet custody if the animal existed and lived with one or both partners before the marriage, and the clause can spell out who keeps the pet along with how vet bills and care decisions are handled. A pet acquired only after the wedding generally cannot be assigned in the prenup because it did not exist when the agreement was made. What happens to frozen embryos if a couple divorces in New York? Frozen embryos raise some of the most complex questions in family law, and New York couples increasingly address them through an embryo or reproductive property clause in a prenuptial agreement. Such a clause can establish what happens to stored embryos in the event of divorce or death, who covers storage fees, and how legal parenthood is handled, which gives couples far more certainty than leaving the question unresolved. Can social media posts and text messages be used as evidence in a New York divorce? In many cases, yes. Social media evidence and text messages have become a routine part of contested divorce and custody disputes, where a public post or a saved message can contradict sworn testimony or undercut a financial claim. Because a private frustration can quickly become a courtroom exhibit, it is wise to be careful about what you post once a divorce is underway. The law office of Ryan Besinque represents divorce clients throughout Manhattan, NY and the surrounding areas, including Brooklyn, NY, Queens, NY, the Bronx, NY, Staten Island, NY, Long Island City, New York, White Plains, NY, New Rochelle, New York, Yonkers, New York, Mount Vernon, New York, and Hoboken, NJ. Our NYC divorce attorneys are dedicated to providing attentive, knowledgeable legal assistance to families across the region. If you are facing a divorce or family law matter, the law office of Ryan Besinque is ready to help you understand your options and protect what matters most. Visit https://brooklynziopro.blob.core.windows.net/New York City/divorce attorneys, law firm. HTML or call 929-251-4477 today to schedule your free consultation. Contact the law office of Ryan Besinque today at 929-251-4477 or visit https://brooklynziopro.blob.core.windows.net/New York City/divorce attorneys, law firm. HTML to schedule your free consultation.